plus 89 pips. That's 3.72% profit on my capital. Another big day, seeing some big moves coming back into the markets now. Okay, let's flick straight over to the charts and you can see how I did it. Hi again, welcome back. It's the 5th of March 2020, 5 minutes past 8, so we're 5 minutes into the London Open. Just finished the live London trade planning webinar with the Price Action Traders Institute members, and just shut the webinar down. And I took a couple of trades. Well, I took a trade before I actually started the webinar, and that was on the pound Japanese yen. Just quickly talk you through this. So I took this short at, what was it 20.25 I got in on this, and price moved down quite nicely on a candle here. I locked in 2 pips and I've seen price pull back and hit my price stop. So I'm currently 2 pips up at the moment and looking for a re-entry on that pound Japanese yen. The other trades that I've got, this euro Japanese yen, I had a pending order on this just before I started the trade plan with the members, and that price order was hit, pulled back a little bit and coming back into profit now. So I got in the euro Japanese yen at 48, looking for further downside movement. Got my take profit down at that 20 level, and just as I was finishing up with the members, I saw an entry point. I had my live screen open, my live charts open on a separate screen. Saw an entry point on this and thought, yeah, I'll take that. So just waiting for the members to type in some questions, and I took a short on this. I got in this at 36, so looking for further downside movement to come past this previous low around about that 20 level and down to that 0.0 where I've got my take profit. It's all been about the Japanese yen throughout the night. We've seen Japanese yen strength across the board. I've got an order placed there, but in fact I just missed that. If I'd have been a bit quicker I could have had that. But you see across the board, you look at these Japanese yens and it's the predominant mover throughout the Asian session. So I'm looking for a continuation of that move. So 3 trades open, 2 pips in profit, and that's where I am. I'll pause the video for now and I'll come back in a little while to give you an update and let you know where I am with these trades and if I take anything else. Okay, I'll be back soon. So back with you, no change, new candle opened. This euro Japanese yen, seeing this nice move down. I've locked in a few pips on that just in case that price spins around and takes me out. So that one's safe. At least I know that I'm not going to be taking a loss on that one. And the US dollar Japanese yen, seeing that start to hold up a little bit. It's started to push down towards that 20 and then pulling back just a touch. So still looking for it to push through that 20 and continue that downside move towards the 0.0. So that's where I am right now. I'll pause the video again and I shall be back in a little while to give you another update. So back with a quick update for you. The euro Japanese yen, I'd locked in 2 pips on that, seeing a big deep pullback on that. Hit my price stop again, giving me 2 pips like what happened on the GJ earlier. So I'm currently up 4 pips. I've taken a re-entry on that euro Japanese yen, again looking for it to come down further, down towards that 20 level. I got in this time at 49. So it's bounced off of that 50 level by the looks of it, and now it's coming back down again. Hopefully down towards my take profit down at the 20. The Australian dollar Japanese yen, I had an order placed on that. It's hit that. I'm looking for price to come down through that 0.0, and take profit is down at 80 on this. I got in this one at 0.9. US dollar Japanese yen, still holding on to that. Got in at 36. Seeing price coming down towards that 20 level. Need it to come through that 20 down towards the 0.0 where my take profit is. And the Canadian dollar Japanese yen, not really doing a great deal. It's been down through that 0.0, come back up again, putting me in the red. Now it's come back down into profit slightly. Just looking for this Japanese yen, still waiting for this Japanese yen strength to come back into play again. If it comes back into play, there's nothing guaranteed in this game. And of course we could just see sideways action throughout the London session now. But it's that continuation that I'm looking for to the downside on these Japanese yen pairs. Okay, I shall pause again for now and I'll be back with you in a little while. Okay, so what we were speaking about during the trade plan, I'm actually out of all trades now. I've punched out of everything and gone flat for the day, and that's me done for the week as well. I won't be trading tomorrow, and it just gives me a nice relaxing long weekend. So we were talking during the trade plan about the Japanese yen pairs. That was what was exciting me, what I was looking at, and they certainly did their thing today. So I punched out of those Japanese yen pairs that I was in and did okay on these spikes down, moved down quite nicely. Okay, I'll flick over to the summary sheet and I'll give you a rundown and a roundup of how I finished up today. So there you go, another tremendous session trading London today. Took 6 trades, no losers, all of them winners. Some of them, the earlier trades I got in, I was locking in a couple of pips to cover costs and they came back and hit my price stops. Managed to take a re-entry on the Euro Japanese yen, which gave me a nice big win. And you can see every single one of these was Japanese yen crosses. It was the Japanese yen that's moving yet again. We've seen this for the last 2, maybe 3 weeks, Japanese yen big moves. So that was it. You can see the pips that I took on those 6 trades, giving me a total of 89 pips, and that works out to 3.72% profit. If you'd like to find out more about the way that we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute, I'll put a link down in the description box, and you can always contact me through there as well. You can email me if you've got any questions. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll be back again soon with another video.